To our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cooking oil is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The moisture content on this batch is a bit high. Let's tag it for further testing. This method ensures we capture the purest essence, maximizing yield with minimal waste. Every batch is refined and tested for purity and taste.
Every bottle is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how cooking oil is made, from start to finish.